Standard 9th, Chapter 8, Useful and Harmful Microbe, Antibiotic, Penicillin. Antibiotics. What do you mean by antibiotic? Can anybody of you guess? Yes. Antibiotic is the medicine which any doctor prescribe us. Have you ever visited doctor yet? If yes, just check out your last prescription. Whatever doctor prescribed for you. You will definitely get one antibiotic prescribed by your doctor. That antibiotic work effectively on our illness and we recover soon only because of this antibiotic. So let us see what exactly this antibiotic means to us in this chapter. Carbon compound obtained from some bacteria and fungi for destroying or preventing the growth of harmful microbes are called as antibiotics. Got it? Antibiotics mainly act against bacteria. Some antibiotics can destroy protozoa. Some antibodies are useful against a wide variety of bacteria, which is known as broad spectrum antibiotics. A pathological microbe is definitely known as narrow spectrum antibiotic, which means it is useful for us in many ways. In this topic, we can see that antibiotic mainly act against bacteria. It means it kills bacteria. Some antibiotic kill protozoa. They even kill protozoa. Some antibiotics are used against variety of bacteria, which are known as broad spectrum antibiotic. Penicillin. A nice chapter, a very interesting chapter. Let us see what does exactly penicillin means to us. Penicillin is a group of antibiotic obtained from fungus. So here fungus are useful for us, and this penicillin medicine is used and given to human being for various diseases. Alexander Fleming, a professor of microbiology at St. Mary Hospital, had cultured various of bacteria and fungi in petri dish in his laboratory. On 3rd September 1928, while observing Staphylococcus culture, he made an interesting observation in one petri dish. In that petri dish, fungal colonies has grown, but the area around those colonies was clean and clear. That is, bacteria has actually been destroyed. After further studies, he confirmed that fungal growing where was penicillium and its secret had destroyed the bacteria colony. Thus, the first antibiotic, penicillin, had been discovered accidentally, and this formed the basis for attempt to find cure for incurring diseases. We should be grateful to Alexander Fleming for discovering such a big discovery, that is